loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this unit right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
Okay, love, so today is another wig review courtesy of WIGTYPES.com. They were kind enough to send me this unit right here. So as you guys can see, I'm already feeling it. So let me go ahead and just give you guys the deets. So as I already told you guys, this unit is courtesy of WIGTYPES.com. They were kind enough to send me two different units. I'm not sure which one is gonna come first or which one is second, but just know that there should be two videos courtesy of WIGTYPES, you know, in my recent videos, okay? So this unit is from Sensationnel. It is from their DASHLY collection. It says fast fashion meets hair, so I guess that's what DASHLY stands for. It is their lace unit 4 and it's in the color T4 Ash Blonde. So this is the stock card. The model is rocking it in it doesn't say what color the model is rocking it in, but I'm rocking it in T4 Ash Blonde, okay? It is heat safe up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees. So if you guys did want to put heat on it, just know that you can use heat up to 400 degrees. It does have a deep side part. And it does come with baby hair, as you guys can see right here. I chose not to slick the baby hair down or do anything with the baby hair just because I'm probably going to take it off because I'm currently reviewing a couple of videos, okay? So something that you'll notice when I was trying this unit on, I don't know if I showed it in the beginning or if I showed it after, but when I first put the unit on, I didn't really realize that it was a side part. So I was trying to put it in the middle, but then I was wondering why it didn't feel right. And it definitely kind of looked a little weird until I looked and it was like, oh, it's a deep side part. So then I went ahead and moved it to the right. So that's pretty much everything that I see on the stock card to tell you about this unit. Now, my own personal thoughts about this unit is I definitely feel like this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I wasn't too sure about the ash blonde at first because, as you guys know, there are different colors to ash blonde. There's not just one specific ash blonde. So I don't think I've ever tried this particular ash blonde before. But I was up for it. Like I've been wanting to get an ash blonde look for a while now with human hair, and it has been hit and miss. I'm not a mixologist, colorist, whoever the people are that know how to like mix and dye hair. I'm not that, okay? So for me, it's always trial and error. So at this point, I think I've given up with my busy schedule. So that's why wigs come in handy. Wigs that are already colored for you. You don't have to color them. Like, I absolutely love that. So yeah, I tried this unit on. Again, when I put it on, I still wasn't sure if it was complimentary for me, but I did go ahead and take pictures outside. So definitely stay tuned to like my Instagram where I'll update pictures from what I took outside. I definitely feel like the sun and the makeup and everything just kind of tied this whole look together. So yeah, for me, I absolutely love this unit. The only con that I felt was that I wish this had more body right here, but it's not a huge con. Like for me, I just either keep like doing this. You guys see I do kind of run into some tangles, but it's not anything major. But I do love how flat this unit lays. Like I told you guys, I've been trying on different units from different companies, and for me, I was actually pleasantly surprised that this unit lays so flat and that I didn't really need any like baby hair. So I just put mineralized skin finish in the powder. I just put powder in the parting space. I didn't do anything with the baby hairs just because I felt like it looked so natural to where I didn't really need to do much to this unit. I just kind of wish, you know, it did give a little bit more body right here. But like I told you guys, not a big deal. So my overall thoughts about this unit is I would give this unit an A+. I feel like this unit works for me. I definitely love the color. So I love the fact that they have some other special colors. And so they give you this little mini stock card, and it shows you they have T4 613, T4 Ash Blonde, which is the one I'm rocking, T2 Rose Gold, T4 Icy Lavender, which actually looks pretty cool. So I kind of want to try this Icy Lavender color. They have T1BJ, shade T2 Mustard. I've tried T2 Mustard before in a different unit, and then they have T230, T2 Copper, and then T1B Copper Red. So you do have some special colors if you guys are not feeling this T4 Ash Blonde. So yeah, you guys just let me know what you guys think about this unit, this color. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.